Hello, this is Josh from Advanced Camping, bringing you another video tour. This one on the all-new Roadtrek Play. So this is our first Roadtrek Play that we've gotten. The idea here is to get a really nice Roadtrek with their high-quality fit and finish, really big refrigerator, in under that $100,000 range, and it does so quite nicely with some style at that. So let's take a look. This is in the sandstone pearl color on the outside. We'll have the nicer aluminum wheels as far as the ram portion goes. We're going to have a permanent running board, but it's going to be quite big and spacious, especially for those of us who have big feet like myself. We have a nice big awning on the outside here. It is a power awning, so that's a nice touch. And 2 porch lights on the outside. You know, just like your other Roadtreks, it's going to blend really well. You'd really have to be an expert to really know that this is a motorhome. So it really just looks like a nice, slick van. So let's take a quick walk around here. On the back, we're going to have our receiver hitch. This can tow 2,000 pounds. Otherwise, people will put bike racks or, cargo trays, whatever works best, really. And city water connection is going to be over here. There's going to be your shore power hookups going to be right there as well. And on the Roadtreks, it's nice. They actually have, along with the new 2021 chassis features, which are significant, you have that blind spot assist on both mirrors. You have the, turnable mirror. The rear view mirror turns right into a camera, so then you don't have the blind spots of the motorhome inside. It just shows you directly behind the vehicle. Roadtrek goes one step further and gives you backup sensors. So you have a backup camera and the sensors that kind of give you the beeping warning as you're nearing a certain object. So just kind of one extra feature that we don't see on any of our other coaches. So that's kind of cool. And your Play here, one of the ideas with the split rear twin bed in the back is that you could put bicycles right in the coach, or kayaks or anything longer like that, as you do have good storage underneath here. So that could be advantageous. If you put the bikes inside here, then you have room in the back for a cargo tray, for instance. And you can see we do have the screen kit for the back and the side as well. Pretty neat. Going through to the side here, we have an outside shower. Convenient little accessory, so you can rinse your pet off, or, it doesn't fill the gray water tank, so you can be, you could actually do your dishes out here if you wanted to. We see people do that. Moving here, we do have our Girard instant tankless water heater, so that's going to be a nice plus, as much water as you want. Careful not to take too long of a shower, though. And we do have a macerator system. I can't do that one-handed, but just flips open, just like the Zion or the Zion SRT. But the advantage to that macerator pump is no matter if you're on an incline or a decline, you're always going to get all that waste out of the system. So, and much quicker at that. And we have our venting for the furnace. We have our chassis up here. You can see of a little divot here for the blind spot assist. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. But that blind spot is going to be quite nice. So let's take a look inside of our coach. We do have an AGM battery, pretty big AGM battery that'll power everything in here. It does have a high-end inverter, so you could potentially run the air conditioner for a little while. It's not going to be like a long time, but I would say roughly half an hour or so you could run the air conditioner while you're stopped maybe. And you want to have lunch, you don't have to turn a generator on. You just simply turn the battery on and the air conditioner or the microwave would just work. As well as all your other 110 outlets, they'll just work with that inverter without needing to be plugged in or having a noisy generator. All good things. This is also screened off here with a magnetic clamp, so you can kind of easily get in and out. You don't have to unzip it and zip it all the time. But yeah, we have a nice big kitchen area here with a recessed sink and a recessed 2-burner stove. We have a little added extra little counter space that can be used for either extra cooking prep space or as sort of a desk if you swivel this seat all the way around. So pretty slick because you got all the outlets right here. You can use that as a great desk area if you're remotely working or just want to relax and check the web. And great storage on these Roadtreks. They really do have amazing big amounts of storage. So I do like that. Another big one underneath the very big 5 cubic foot fridge. So it's compressor based, so you don't have to be perfectly level for it to work. Love that. Less moving parts, less things that go wrong. Doesn't take up a lot of power. So these big 5 cubic foot fridges from Norcold are great. Freezers are built in as well, so just great. You just turn it on and it works. Okay, coming back, we're going to have our microwave up here. We're going to have our nice big wardrobe. Really, this is quite deep for hanging clothes and such. That post is going to be for the table, but very deep clothes hanging closet there. And we will have various other cabinets up here. This is in the cherry wood, very nice looking. You'll also see our air conditioner in the back here too. And so this is really what kind of sets it apart from some of our other Roadtreks that are on the lot. So we're going to have the twin bed set up. This is very, very similar to a Travato K. Very, very similar indeed, as we also have those ratcheting headrests on the back in case you didn't want to lie completely flat. You could, rest your head upwards. Maybe you could mount a TV or something and watch TV that way, or read a book. There are lights underneath there that you can kind of move around to just your liking, kind of reading lights. And we have seat belts over on this side, extra window there, kind of a bonus window, and cup holders, kind of a nice touch. These doors or these windows really open up quite a ways on the Rams, and offer complete screens and complete covers for the blinds. So you're getting quite a bit. And these Rams just have smooth rides anyway. They really do. One of the smoothest out there. Some people will opt for Sumo Springs. We are a Sumo Springs dealer, so we could add those on there, no problem, if you're in that camp. We have our bathroom in here. Really the same bathroom as what's in the other Roadtreks. So we're going to have our sink and toilets. Plenty of toiletry options here. Nice big mirror. And waterproof light. And again, you're going to have that instant tankless water heater, so you could take some pretty long showers if you really wanted to. And this is going to be our 2021 Ram chassis. So we talked about a lot of the cool upgrades already. The big one is when you flip this rear view mirror, like right now it's sort of in glass form. And that's kind of helpful, but with a motorhome, you got a lot of stuff back here that's going to obstruct that. So then you push a button on it, and it then becomes a rear camera with a wide angle lens, which is a lot more easy to use. I mean, I've had people, buy the Ram simply because it had that, because it does make that much of a difference in a motorhome. It also has the new crosswind assist computer built in here, so it's going to be even better in the wind. Though, the Rams are a little lower to the ground anyway, and have always been pretty good in the wind. But this is going to kind of set them apart. You're going to have a nice leather wrap steering wheel over here, so a real comfortable feel when you grip that. We'll have a nice navigation system. It's going to Bluetooth in with your phone. If you have an Apple phone, you can even use your Siri with it. So very nice to have. Lots of cup holders all throughout, as you can kind of see. And then you have a bit of additional storage, which is really quite deep up here. A lot of people don't realize how much storage there actually is right above the cockpit there. And this is going to be our 2021 Roadtrek Play. So pretty cool new layout. Again, it's going to come in at under $100,000, which is always a big plus. Most of the motorhome pack is really in that 110, 120,000 or more. So to get something like this with all the same, very similar features anyway, you're really going to get a really big bargain with something like this. So if you want to go camping this year, we do actually have two of these in stock, one in this color and one in granite as of today. If you want special pricing, give me a call. My name's Josh, and I'd be happy to help you out at 414-281-6330. And if you want to check out inventory, please check out our website at advancedcamping.com. And if you like this video and want to see more, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great day.